Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover Ambire Wallet password with email. So if you have forgotten your password in Ambire Wallet allows account recovery depending on how you originally created a wallet. So in this guide I will explain how to recover your Ambire Wallet password using your registered email safely and correctly. Ambire works differently from a traditional wallet. Your password only protects local device access. It does not store your funds. If you forget, you may need to restore the wallet. And if you created a wallet using your email login, recovery is easier. First, open any of the web browser, and after that in the top right we can find these extensions here. Go to that and select to this Ambire Wallet. Here make sure to log into your Ambire Wallet, and over here once you reach into this Ambire Wallet interface, what you can do is in the top right there's three-line icon. Select there, and from here what you can do is you need to go to this password recovery. Over here it says that extensions password recovery with email, so simply type down your email, and after that select to this enable here. So here you need to verify through email. What you can do is you can open to your email here, and Ambire will send you the verification link. Select to this Ambire Wallet in the top here and find to this enable password recovery. Select over there, and so go back to the Ambire recovery extension here, and the extension password recovery has been successfully enabled, and you can select to this got it. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.